Speaking of somebody that knows all, it's Richard Michaelis from the Michaelis Corporation. Richard, good morning.
Good morning, Pat. How are you?
You know what? Doing pretty well. I was surprised to learn yesterday that today was Saturday.
I know. I'm mixed up also. And again, writing, 2020 is challenging. So
I know. We were yeah, it's crazy. We were at dinner and someone said tomorrow, and I said, no, that's on Saturday. And someone,
right.
And Beth goes, that tomorrow is Saturday.
Right.
So,
right.
So there you go. What's going on at the Michaelis Corporation?
Well, we're just trying to get started on 2020. It's always just like your business. I'm sure it's always kind of last month of the year busy with budgeting and
Sure.
wrapping up everything. So we're continuing to stay busy. The mild weather is kind of letting us catch up on a lot of the outdoor work that
Right.
we normally wouldn't be able to get done this time of the year. But I don't think winter's over. I think we're going to get some cold weather.
Yeah. Now, has your staff been pretty healthy, or have you guys been hit with the people being sick?
We kind of got sick earlier around Thanksgiving. So knock on wood, one of our drivers hit a big buck deer last night, totaled the truck out. So,
no kidding. Was he okay?
He's okay. Both airbags went off, and he was wearing glasses because he wears glasses, and he was unscathed. But the truck and the deer didn't end up very well, and I don't know if that's part of if this is the time of the season where
was that out in the Netherlands, or was it in the city?
I think he was up around Strawtown, Highway 37, and up around the Cicero area.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, that's out in the country.
That always worries me when I drive at night through the farmland that you're going to see a deer run across.
Well, and I've had it happen to me before, but it's been far enough in front of me that I can brake, because I've always heard if you see one, there's probably two or three more.
Right.
And usually that's the case. So I've been lucky, but I know a lot of people haven't.
Yeah, it can cause a lot of damage. All right, so you guys are fired up for 2020, and you're there and ready to swing into action. We're
expecting it to be a strong year, just like 2019. We're growing, so we've hired two more staff members, and everything's pointing to just being another vibrant year. The economy should stay strong, so we expect to grow and continue to stay busy on all areas of the business, and that's the fire side, the water side, the mold, basic waterproofing.
Yeah, and I imagine there's a lot of need, and then obviously a lot of real estate transactions also will spur some of that activity as well.
Absolutely will.
Yep.
Absolutely will. Yeah, as Dale Phillips says, realtors are our friends. So
yes, they are.
Your listeners and the realtors help put food on our table and keep families together with solid jobs here at Michaelis.
There you go. Richard, thanks for spending a little time with us, and thank you for supporting our show as well. It's the Michaelis Corporation, the number 844-FIX-INDY. That's 844-FIX-INDY, the Michaelis Corporation. Construct, renovate, restore.